Hi dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. So, how is the Josh Commandos? A very happy Diwali, a happy festive season to all of you guys from the whole team of BYJU'S exam prep. Okay, just let me know on the comment section, audio, video fine, yes or no, everybody. And then we'll be starting the PYQs of soil mechanics. And in this series, yeah, voice is coming fine in my mobile, and I guess you will be having a better mobile than me. Okay, so guys, we'll be doing the old PYQs in this. Okay, old means the questions of soil mechanics which have been asked in 1990s, 1991 to 1999. Okay, and only those questions I will be taking in this session which are relevant for the upcoming gate exam as well. Okay, so guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi in geotechnical engineering only, which subject we are doing right now. Okay, got all India rank 164. You have to score better rank than this. This is my email ID abhinav.negi@byju's.com. And this is my telegram group civil by Abhinav sir. Already guys, more than 5,200 students have joined this. Sorry. This is a telegram family of more than 5,200 students. You can also join here guys. But let me tell you, this all will not be asked in the exam. Okay, so let us go to the soil mechanics. Guys, let me also tell you that one thing we have done for you, that whatever series is going on in this old is gold series, whatever session is going on, the same PDF or the same sessions PDF you will get on the same day on app. Right now we are dealing with soil mechanics, so we'll be getting the quiz of soil mechanics in our app. Okay, this is my telegram group civil by Abhinav sir. So let us start the session guys. Everyone, please tell me fast, how is the Josh? Then we are starting the session. Yes, this is the question on your screen. Attempt it guys. Attempt it fast. Fast guys. And let me know the answers. Okay. Okay. Yes, audio video fine, I am again asking. So the atomic limits of clay are 38%, 27% and 24.5%. Its natural water contains 30%. The clay is in which state? If I draw the graph of water content versus volume, then when the soil is dry, let the volume be somewhere here. Fill in the water, so air will be occupied by water. And when all voids are occupied, there is no other movement or no other air voids where water can accommodate. So after that, volume start increasing. Okay, you know this. This is shrinkage limit, after which the soil starts increasing in volume. This is plastic limit. This is liquid limit. So shrinkage limit value is 24.5, plastic limit value is 27, liquid limit value is 38. And our soil, the existing soil, the water content is how much? 30%. So it's somewhere here. It is somewhere here. Okay, so answer will be which state? Tell me in the comment box. Answer will be which state guys? Come on. Answer will be, it will be in which state? अरविंद अभी भी बफर कर रहा है क्या? अभी भी बफर कर रहा है क्या? Guys, is it buffering now also? Okay, so this is in plastic state. Okay, plastic state means, what is plastic state means? If we apply the stress strain diagram in the plastic state of soil, it will be like this. Okay, so this is liquid state, this is plastic state, this is solid state, and this is semi-solid state. As we increase the water content, it goes on, the liquidity goes on increasing. अमितेश अभी भी बफर कर रहा है क्या? एक बार बता दो. Otherwise, do this question number 2. स्टार बोल अभी बफर कर रहा है क्या सेशन? अभी भी बफर कर रहा है क्या? Okay, the void ratio was 1994, 1 marks. The corresponding porosity. So porosity is n is equal to E upon 1 plus E. So void ratio is 1. Okay, so 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 0.5. So void ratio is 0.5. Got it? Okay, great. Let us move further. The consistency of a saturated cohesive soil is affected by. The consistency of a saturated cohesive soil is affected by water content. What is consistency? Consistency is the relative ease with which soil can be deformed. Okay. Consistency is the relative ease with which soil can be deformed. Okay. बफर तो नहीं कर रहा? Consistency is the relative ease with which soil can be deformed. Okay, and as water content starts increasing, the soil goes on to the liquid state, from hard to semi-solid, semi-solid to plastic, plastic to liquid. Okay, which of the following is true? The void ratio of the soil can exceed unity. Yes guys, E can be greater than 1. Like there is a bentonite clay. So bentonite clay, guys, solid is like this much, and it can have huge, it has a montomolite mineral. The volume can change huge. Okay, so here the volume of voids can be greater than volume of solid. अरविंद अभी भी बफर कर रहा है क्या? अरविंद अभी भी बफर कर रहा है क्या? बता दो. Which of the following relations is not correct? E is equal to n upon 1 minus n is correct. Gamma set is G plus E 1 plus E by gamma W. This has been asked in 1996. This has been asked in, guys, this is not like that I am taking easy question or hard question in this series. I cannot take easy, I cannot take hard. This is a PYQ series. So whatever the questions are in PYQ, that I have to take. Whether it is very, very easy or very, very hard. Okay. So E is equal, n is equal to E is equal to n upon 1 minus n, correct. Gamma set is this correct. N is equal to, this is wrong. N is equal to, actually the correct formula is E upon 1 plus E. E is SE is equal to WG, correct. So answer will be C. Answer will be C. Got it? Got it? जल्दी से बता दो. जल्दी से बता दो. किसी को कोई दिक्कत? जल्दी से बता दो. बफर हो रहा है. ओके. ओके. Let me, just give me some time. Just give me some time. Okay. I guess now it will not be this. Okay. We are checking. इसका बिट रेट कम करता हूँ. देखो तब तक इसको करते हैं. इसका कुछ जुगाड़ लगाता हूँ मैं. इसका कुछ जुगाड़ लगाता हूँ मैं. चलो भाई सुनो, एक शब्द होता है, कभी कभी एस को हम दिखाते हैं सैंडी और कभी कभी हम दिखाते हैं सैंड. ठीक है, कभी कभी हम सी को ना क्ले बोलते हैं और यहाँ कभी कभी बोलते हैं क्ले. ऐसी कैसी, कभी हम सिल्ट बोलते हैं, कभी कभी हम सिल्टी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, कभी समटाइम्स वी से इट ग्रेवल, समटाइम्स वी से इट ग्रेवली, sometimes sand, sometimes sandy, sometimes clay, sometimes clay, sometimes silt, sometimes silty. Okay, so what is the difference between sand and sandy? What is the difference between clay and clayey? What is the difference between silt and silty? What is the difference between gravel and gravelly? Bilkul Sushant, within next 30 days that will be done. What is the difference between silt and silty? What is the difference between clay and clay? What is the difference between sand and sandy? What is the difference between gravel and gravelly? Whenever the words gravel will be used, sand will be used, clay will be used, silt will be used, okay, whenever this will be used, that means they are major fractions in soil. They are major fractions in soil. And whenever gravelly will be used, sandy will be used, clay will be used, silty will be used, then they are minor groups. Gravelly means gravel is not there much. Gravel means, if the word is gravel, gravel is in the larger fraction. If it is sandy, sandy means it is used in the sands in that soil are in lesser fraction. If it is used sand, that means sand is in larger fraction. If it is used clay, that means clay in that soil is in the larger fraction. If it is used clay, that means clay in that soil is smaller fraction. Similarly, silt, if it is used silt, then silt is large. It is silty, then it is minor. It is less in that. So the word here is sandy, silty, clay. So greatest will be clay. Greatest will be clay because it is not clay, it is clay. Okay, then it is in the clay. Okay, then if two words are written, both minor are written, then the first word is the least. If both minors are written, sandy and silty, then the first word sandy is even the least. Okay, so clay, then silty, then clay, then silt and sand. Okay, that is the option. Have you understood the concept, guys? Have you understood the concept, everyone? Okay, समझ गए क्या? चलो next. Some of the structural strength of clay mineral lost by remolding. Okay, then it is recovered with time. This is which property? This is thixotropy. Thixotropy is the property of soil mechanics by which it regains its strength with time. Okay, got it? Everyone, every commando, understood? Okay. Effective stress in a sand layer below a lake do not alter its level fluctuates. Okay. See, guys, if there is the lake, okay, and below lake it is sand bed. Okay, this is P. So here, even if the water is fluctuating here, the effective stress will not be changing here. Sigma bar P is equal to sigma minus U. Okay. Now suppose lot of rain comes in the monsoon season. It increase, the water level increase. So sigma increase in the total stress is due to weight of water. And pore water pressure is also increased by this weight of water. So both are increased by same amount because the water is only affecting that. So if it will not be changing, do not alter it means true. Okay, earlier true false also comes na. Now this is a nice question. I want to check that who can do this. This is water, 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 and here it is saturated soil. Now here is soil A which is saturated. Here is the soil B which is saturated. Okay, and here is point C. The point C is here. This is C point. Now what you have to write? You have to write the piezometric head. What is the piezometric head at this point C? This is point C, guys. This one is C point. What is piezometric head? This is a nice question. What is piezometric head? This is pressure head plus datum head, and in soil mechanics this is also total head, because since in soil mechanics velocity head is equal to 0, and therefore piezometric head is equal to total head. Piezometric head is equal to total head, because total head is pressure plus datum plus velocity. That term will always be 0 in soil mechanics. Why? Because it is, if it is rest condition it is 0, and if it is moving condition then also it is 0, because the movement of soil is very zero. Movement of soil is very less. Movement of soil is very less. So in that case also it will be 0. Okay, in seepage condition also we take it 0. So piezometric head and total head both are same, because total head one more term will be coming and that will be 0. So do this. Now one more question in your mind. Guys, sir, when datum is not given, because 2-3 times have been happened this in the gate PYQ. 2-3 times this has been happened. Okay. So whenever datum is not given, so you have to take the downstream end as datum. Please note this in your rough copy. Okay, note this in your copy. When datum is not given, then downstream end is taken as datum. Then downstream end is taken as datum. Okay, now do the question. And guys, please, this type of series we are doing two things here, that in app also and YouTube also it is live, this series. So if it is buffering any time in between, please tell me on the comment box, because then from the next time we'll be checking that, or will be, until it is fixed, we'll stop that streaming in the app also. We'll be only in that case live on YouTube only. Please tell me, in app we'll take different class. Anytime it is buffering, please let me know. Okay. Yes, Arvind, but one small request now, whenever it is start buffering again, please let me know on the comment section. Please let me know on the comment section again. Okay, so that I should know that at how many number of times it is buffering. Okay. Please, everyone, it is small request from my side. Whenever it is buffered again, please let me know in the comment section. I want to know that how many times it is buffering. Now, datum head at C. Datum head at C point, from datum it is below. It is -80. Datum head at, and velocity head at any point is 0. Yeah, velocity head at any point is 0. Because soil mechanics, just close your eyes and put velocity at 0. It is rest condition, it is exactly 0. It is moving condition, then also the velocity is very less, that we take it 0. Now pressure head, guys. Now this is the concept, guys. Here in pressure head it is concept. Now see, two students will be doing in two ways. First student, that from water table it is 80 below. So he will be writing 80. From water table it is 80 below. Then he will be wrong. He will be wrong because guys, at H height, the pressure gamma WH, you can only write that H height, the pressure is gamma WH, the gamma W into 80 is the pressure, and pressure head is 80 only when there is hydrostatic condition. It is not hydrostatic, water is moving. Here it is high head, it is low head. Here it is high head, low head. Head difference is 40. Head difference is 40. So actually it is seepage condition. So here in seepage condition, at H height you cannot write pressure gamma WH. At H height you cannot write pressure gamma WH. Okay, so that is why it is wrong. Now, guys, that C point here and this point C dash, both will be having same pressure. At same level, pressure is same. This is an incomplete statement. At same level, pressure is same. This is an incomplete statement. The complete statement is at same level, pressure is same. At same level, pressure is same only if we can go between those 2 points from the same medium, same liquid. And from C to C dash, we can go to water. From same point, we can go from water to water. Okay. So pressure will be same. Pressure will be same. Okay, because we can go from these 2 points water to water, C to C dash, water to water. So pressure will be same. Pressure is not same. We generally say the pressure is same at the same level. Pressure is same at the same level. No, that is incomplete statement. Pressure is same at same levels when from between those 2 points we can go from water to water. So from here to here we can go from water to water. So pressure is same. Okay. Now at C dash, what is pressure? Here in water now there is no loss, because as we go downward, the pressure head is increasing and the same amount datum head is decreasing. So water to water there is no loss. All loss, seepage, everything is here. Water to water there is no loss. As we are going downwards, pressure is increasing and by the same amount datum is decreasing. So here there is no loss. So here I can write pressure is 120. So 120 is correct. So piezometer head is excellent question, guys. Excellent question. Pressure head plus datum head. So pressure head is 120. Okay, and datum head is minus 80. So it is net 40. Excellent question, guys. Please put a heart sign on the comment box. And those who have just joined, let me again tell you, happy Diwali to all of you guys. Yeah, Sandbook, how are you? Thank you so much for Soma Hydrology SM survey. Now I am in PWD and A. Thank you lot. Okay, Sandbook, our old vision student. Sandbook, our old vision student. Thank you, Sandbook. Thank you. Have you understood, all of you? Have you understood, all of you? Okay. Do this, guys. Come on. Come on. चलो, अब शायद बफरिंग ना हो. अब शायद बफरिंग ना हो. अब शायद बफरिंग ना हो. Okay. A river 5 meter deep consists of a sand bed with saturated unit weight of 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Gamma W is equal to 9.81. The effective vertical stress at 5 meter from the top of sand bed is. Guys, there is a river. okay, a 5 meter deep, 5 meter deep. Below is the sand bed, below is the sand bed. From top of the sand bed, 5 meter below, at this point I have to write the effective stress. So sigma P, sigma bar P. Also guys, we can neglect this also here, because fluctuation of above ground level, there is no change, or we can take also. So total stress is 9.81 into 5, the stress due to this, plus 20 into 5, the stress due to this soil, and minus pore water pressure, 9.81 into 10. So from here, whatever the answer you are getting, from here it will be around 50 or something, na? Tell me. 51 you are getting, I guess 51 from the rough calculations. Yes, Arvind. Guys, it is not buffering now. Is it fine? The vertical stress directly below is sigma vertical is K into Q by Z square. Correct? So it is K into P by Z square. Now do this. Westergaard is not in the syllabus right now. Westergaard is not in the syllabus. Okay, but BYJU'S is in the syllabus. BYJU'S is in the syllabus. Do this. Do this. Do this and let me know the answer. Everyone, come on. फॉर्मूला तो मेरे को भी नहीं पता है. सिग्मा वर्टिकल इज इक्वल टू के क्यू बाय जेड स्क्वायर, के इंटू क्यू by z square, correct? And from kb into q by z square. So z is 2 meter, radial distance is 1 meter, q is 700 kilonewton. What is the answer coming? It is q by z square. K formula I am writing, please check I am correct or not, because I am not remembering the formula. K formula I am writing, please check I am correct or not, because I am not remembering the formula. Okay. Okay. Everyone, 3 by 2 pi. Okay, 3 by 2 pi 1 plus, please check I am not remembering the formula, r square by z square, r square by z square की power 5 by 2. Please check. Formula is correct. कितना आ रहा पुट करके? कितना आ रहा है पुट करके? फॉर्मूला सही है, एक बार चेक कर लेना. q बाई जेड स्क्वायर 3 बाई 2 पाई, इसमें सारी वैल्यू पुट कर दो तो आर यू गेटिंग 47.8. एक बार चेक कर लेना. ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, द टाइम ऑफ क्ले लेयर टू अचीव 90% कंसोलिडेशन इज 15 years. The time required to achieve 90% consolidation if layer were twice as thick, 3 times more permeable and 4 times more compressible. Nice question. Let me check that who can do this. Let me check that who can do this. Nice question. Everyone. Now guys, TV is equal to CV into T by D square. Correct? The time for a clay layer to achieve 90% consolidation is 15 years. The time required to achieve 90% consolidation again if the layer is twice the thick. Okay, so time is equal to, from here, TV into D square by CV. Okay, and now we have to find out the ratio of 2 times. Earlier the time is 15 years. Earlier the time is 15 years. Okay, TV is not, let me remove TV. Let me remove TV from the picture. Because TV, depending on you, and both times they are comparing 90% consolidation. So TV is not in the picture, so it is in the proportional. T is proportional to D square by CV. Because TV is same. Now the depth, if the layer is twice the thick, depth double हो गया है. So वो 4 times आ जाएगा. D is changing to 2D. So 2D square will be 4D square. So time में एक तो 4 गुना फर्क पड़ जाएगा. 4 times there will be difference because diameter is changed to 2 times. Now ये twice the thick, 3 times more permeable and 4 times more compressible. Okay. So now CV. Guys, CV is equal to na K upon gamma W into MV. Okay. Now it is 3 times more permeable. So new CV dash, okay, new CV dash 3 times more permeable and 4 times more gamma W is same, 4 times more compressible. So new CV dash na is 3 by 4 times of earlier. 3 by 4 times of earlier, because this is changed by 3 times, this is changed by 4 times. So this is changing, the numerator is changing by 4 times, so time will increase by 4. And denominator is changing to 3 by 4. Denominator is changing by 3 by 4. So 4 divided by 3 by 4 is 16 by 3. So time is changed by 16 by 3. So earlier the time is 15. Now it is 16 by 3. So 3 5 is 15 and 16 5 is 80. Guys, are you getting also the same answer? Are you getting the same answer? 80 years? Have you understood? Excellent question, guys. Excellent question. Okay. The appropriate filter to determine undrained shear strength of soft clay. Undrained shear strength of soft clay. जल्दी बता दो. Undrained shear strength of soft clay. Guys, it will be Vane shear test. Vane shear test. Guys, soft clay is very, very sensitive. So if we take that soil to the lab for the triaxial test or any other test, then there will be a huge fluctuation in the property of soil. So those soils which are very, very sensitive, those soils should be tested on the field itself. So Vane shear test is in the field for sensitive soils. So again the same question, it is asked in 1997 for 1 marks. It is asked in 1997 for 1 marks. Okay, match the following. Guys, always remember one thing, flexible footing, pressure same, delta different. Okay, and rigid footing, delta has to be same, it is rigid, and pressure different. Okay. Now the correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. See here. First is this. So here guys, the settlement is same. Here also settle this much, settle, this much 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 settle. Settlement is same and pressure is different. Settlement same, it will be of rigid. And this kind of pressure is for cohesionless soil. Now here settlement same, again rigid. Settlement same and pressure is decreasing at the center. Pressure is decreasing at the center, that is for cohesive soil. It is rigid. Why rigid? Because settlement same. Why rigid? Because settlement same. Now here settlement is different, flexible, but contact pressure is same. Guys, here contact pressure is same. These two are parallel, na? These two are parallel, so distance between them is same. So it is flexible, and this kind of footing is for flexible for flexible for cohesive soil. Okay, and that is flexible for cohesionless soil. Okay, contact pressure is same. The contact pressure is same. Give me yes or no. Jaldi se everybody. Yes. Come on. फटाफट से बता दो. किसी को कोई दिक्कत? किसी को कोई दिक्कत? Okay, let me move forward to the next question. A foundation is considered to be shallow foundation if df by b is less than equal to 1. So df should be less than b. So the depth foundation should be less than the width. Equal to or less than the width. Yes, equal to or less than the width. Let me tell you guys, even df by b less than 3 also it can be a shallow foundation. Even df by b less than 3 is also shallow foundation, but we apply this. This is for Terzaghi. Terzaghi formula we cannot apply. The Terzaghi formulas are for shallow foundation. So they are valid for here. Otherwise df by b less than 3 also can be treated as shallow foundation for some other formula. So in our syllabus it is Terzaghi, so we are answering this in terms of Terzaghi only. Tell me fast. This, everyone, which of the following condition in pile is highly inappropriate? इसमें से कौन सी कंडीशन सबसे ज्यादा inappropriate है? बताओ. देखो, सबसे बेस्ट तो ये यार. The best is this because here the pile are on the hard stratum. Maximum end bearing capacity is coming. Maximum end bearing capacity is coming. Okay, maximum end bearing capacity is coming. That is the best case of all. And here loose sand, okay, at least friction capacity, and somewhere the end bearing capacity will be coming. But the worst will be this, inappropriate. Why inappropriate? Okay, of course the best is that one. Because here the piles are at the firm stratum. hard rock, but the others are okay, not as good as them, but at least they are providing some frictional load, frictional QF, frictional capacity they are providing, that is also providing frictional capacity, and bearing is also providing, but not that much because it is not hard, but it is the worst because end is also on the soft, very low, almost zero, and is on the soft clay, cannot provide much strength, and even the worst condition is making negative friction due to loose fill. It is applying negative friction, which is, it is acting like Vibhishan. Instead of helping Ravan, Vibhishan has helped Ram. So actually these friction should be acting opposite to the load, but here it is acting towards the load, so it is increasing the load, guys. Okay, now frictional piles are also called as floating piles. Absolutely true, guys. Negative skin friction occurs when the surrounding soil settles more, so it is providing the negative drag, it is providing the downward drag to the soil. Okay, so guys, these are the vision courses. In English and Hindi it is present, where you can study the whole course from zero to the detailed level, guys. And this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Guys, mega mock challenge is there from 11th of November. Okay, you can give this test from 11th November to 17th November anytime, and this test will include environment, geotech, building material and PERT CPM. Only 4 subjects, but exactly as gate pattern. 65 question, 100 marks, 180 minutes. 65 question and 100 marks for these 4 subjects. Similarly, we have different set of subjects at different time. Anytime you can give this test, and results will be announced on 18th, where the top performance will be getting the heavy discounts on our test series. This mega mock challenge is on app, it is free of cost. Now guys, there is scholarship test also on 11th and 12th November. 11th is today only, yes, it is today only. So 11th and 12th November it is also there. Okay, and you can give this scholarship test and get up to 90% discounts in our courses. Now there is a workshop by Richa ma'am, strategy to conquer GATE 2025 in the first attempt. Okay, this is at 16th November at 7:30 p.m. Okay, so you can attend this workshop for the complete guidance. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. A very happy Diwali to all of you again. Okay, I wish you all happy Diwali and you become so much capable that not only your life you are enlightening, but others also. That is the wish from my side to all of you guys. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you all. Take care.